So I'll just share a small story which I've told these guys. You've heard it multiple times, but let me tell you that so you know exactly how I felt when I got this opportunity. During my college days in Delhi, since I'm a Delhi girl, the fashion capital of the country, we always have these, okay, when you're in college, you're like, okay, I also want to have these designer brands in my closet, and you only know probably at that point only a handful of designers, and most of them end up being too heavy on your pocket, so you're always like, okay, when I have to wear something that elaborate, I will. But then this was one brand labeled by Ritu Kumar that was very savvy in terms of a girl going to college could afford it if I collected my pocket money well and could wear it and carry it off easily. So I ended up saving a lot of my pocket money, and the first ever designer piece that I owned during my college days was from Label by Ritu Kumar. So you can now understand how I feel when I was walking. It's almost like a sense of accomplishment that you probably, it was the first thing you proudly owned, the first piece you proudly owned, and then you are here representing them on ramp. So I guess it's a sense of accomplishment and very proud feeling today. I think I've achieved something in life.
What do you think of the outfit that you're wearing?
This collection, it totally resonates with my personality, I feel, because I consider myself a pretty much regular girl next door kind of a personality, and someone who, yeah, obviously has certain opinions and stands for it and all. So the confidence, the femininity stays intact with the silhouette, but yet there is something very strong and rugged about the look that very beautifully mixes up with the drape and the fall of this silhouette. So something very beautiful about the mixture of this whole rough, rugged look with this whole feminine drape that goes along with it, which I feel I identify with. So yeah.
Okay. I think they would want me to stop asking the questions now. So let's open the floor to questions. Any questions for Amrish, Sylvie, or Taapsee?
जी कैसा लगा वो तो मैंने अभी के अभी बता दिया आपको. मेरी ये स्टोरी से आपको पता ही चल जाएगा कि कितना अच्छा और कुछ प्राउड सा फील हो रहा था आज के लेबल के लिए वॉक कर रही हूँ, लेबल बाय ऋतु कुमार. सो उसके अलावा क्या पूछा आपने और? फैशन कॉन्शियस. आई थिंक मैं genuinely believe करती हूँ when you own your style, it becomes fashion. I genuinely believe in that. Fashion is not about wearing something that overpowers your personality. It's about something that gels with your personality so well that your personality needs to shine out of it. So I'm not a person who runs behind fashion, but I would like to mix that fashion in my personality so that my personality shines out of it. So that's what I feel about fashion. Obviously यार मैं बहुत मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से आती हूँ यार. अभी थैंकफुली, अब तुम क्या जानना चाहते हो, मेरा बैंक बैलेंस? नहीं, अब थैंकफुली मुझे नहीं देखना पड़ता है कि टैग के कितने की चीज़ है. अगर पसंद होती है तो अफोर्ड कर लेती हूँ, वो अलग बात है. बाद में जब बैलेंस शीट में मेरे फादर को दिखता है वो अमाउंट तो बहुत ज़्यादा डांट खानी पड़ती है. बट अब तो ऐसा नहीं रह गया कि टैग देखना पड़े ज़्यादा. क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? थोड़ा जोर से बोलेंगे. या पहले बजट मैंने अभी देखा नहीं है, जब वो आएगा ना उसके बाद उसकी बाल की खाल उतारते हैं.
Focus on fashion right now. Next question.
Actually, it has changed quite a bit because what I used to think about Label by Ritu Kumar was something very bright colors, and you know, it'll be very mostly feminine, and it'll have those kind of drapes and silhouette. I never thought it'll have a nice mix of being slightly grungy, which is the first time I saw this particular brand as today. So I think that is a big leap from what it used to be, the conventional Label by Ritu Kumar, to what it is right now. It's a huge leap, I feel. I think I can wear this pretty much on a date, or if I have to go out with my girlfriends to just chill. I think it's something you can wear it very casually these days. That's the best part about this brand, as I said. You know, there's so many things that other big designers try to sell where we cannot really wear it on an everyday life. But this particular brand, you can actually wear it almost every day. See, I think when you have confidence in yourself and you have a body language which is strong enough to carry whatever you are wearing, that looks glamorous. I don't think a particular size of figure matters to be glamorous, or a particular type of beauty is required to look glamorous. If you're extremely confident from inside and you know what you're carrying it with full confidence, it looks glamorous.
We'll go there now.
Good evening.
Hello, Sumit.
All right. I think so. This time the Lakme Fashion Week will be very vibrant. Like we starting with you first showstopper.
Chalo. Good start is half job done, huh?
Yeah. Amrish, Rituji couldn't be here this time. We miss her.
We miss her too.
What exactly happened? She couldn't be.
She's not well. She's a little under the weather.
Okay. And choosing Taapsee for this show, Delhi Connect.
No, personality connect, I think, more than Delhi Connect. Taapsee, you know, when we try to choose someone to represent the brand, you look for personality. Does the personality of the person fit with what you're trying to show or be? And Taapsee is the perfect personality for us. She's young, she's confident, she personifies the youth of today, the way an Indian woman carries herself. And she's also got a great sense of humor. So all in all, Taapsee is the perfect person for us.
Taapsee, you have been walking the ramp for quite some time. How different it was this time?
And as I said, this particular backstory was really something that made this special. Yes, all of us get chance to work for some really good designers, but when there's a brand that has a connect with you from the time when you were nobody, when you were just like any other girl in Delhi, I think that stays with you for a long time.
It was wild also this time?
It was what?
Wild?
It is always wild, Sumit.
Jungly?
It is going to be jungly all and all this season.
Okay.
Till 16th of Feb.
Sumit.
There and beyond that.
All right. Now we'll have one last question. With anybody? Any other last question?
See, I'm a person who is an audience like most of you, who would want to just sit and watch what's there next and probably incorporate that in my style. I think both of them are better to answer this particular question as to what is the trend that is.
Sylvie, do you want to take this one?
I am dreaming for next year a river of flowers. Really, I want to be completely a universe of flowers.
Flowers.
It's very personal. I don't follow the trends. I don't take care of the trends. As a designer, I do my own cooking.
Thank you, guys. Could we have the three of you up ahead here for a photo opportunity for everybody?
Another one?
आगे आ जाए ना?
One on.
See, as I shared the interesting anecdote which genuinely resonates with me and which makes this day special, because I've been someone who's saved money during my college days to buy a piece from label by Ritu Kumar, and that was a great feeling because I could finally own one designer piece in my closet. So from there to today, when I walked for them representing their collection, I think a sense of accomplishment, something that you've achieved in life, maybe that's the feeling that you get.
तापसी, अगर बॉलीवुड में बात कीजिए, किस से आप इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं स्टाइल के लिए? कौन अच्छा लगता है आपको?
मैं आपको ऑनेस्टली बोलूँ, मैं एक इंसान से इंस्पिरेशन लेती हूँ स्टाइल से, जो अभी तक तो बॉलीवुड में नहीं है, जो पता नहीं आएगी कि भी नहीं आएगी, ज़रूरत नहीं है उसको आने की, वो है केट मिडलटन। सो आई डोंट थिंक बॉलीवुड आएगी, बट उससे मैं बहुत इंस्पायर हूँ।
बॉलीवुड में किसका स्टाइल आपको बहुत पसंद है?
अमिताभ बच्चन।
और हीरोइंस में फीमेल?
अपना।
That's very nice.
Thanks, because you better. I don't want to start a fight in between मेरा उसका नाम लिया, तापसी ने उसका नाम लिया, क्योंकि कोई भी चीज़ बोलूँ मैं, उसके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ नेगेटिव निकाल ही लेते हैं लोग, तो इसलिए बेटर है मैं सेफ खेलती हूँ, अपना नाम लूँगी।
अच्छा, आज आप पे जो
और कल की हेडलाइन है, तापसी इज फुल ऑफ हरसेल्फ।
अच्छा, आज आपने जो कॉस्ट्यूम पहना उसको किस तरह से डिस्क्राइब करना चाहिए?
इट्स पहली बात तो इट्स अ नाइस मिक्सचर ऑफ समथिंग विच इज फेमिनिन and something that's grungy, like दोनों mix होते हैं जब, something street and feminine, when they mix together, this is what it becomes. So I think that's the right definition of it.
तापसी, रैंप पे चलने से पहले आपका like माइंड में क्या are you
कि मैं गिर
nervous, are you
जाऊंगी।
challenging?
मेरे को हर रोज, मैं बता रही हूँ, जब भी मेरे को रैंप पे चलना होता है उससे एक दिन पहले मुझे एक बार तो सपना आता ही है ये वाला कि मैं गिरने वाली हूँ रैंप पे। वो कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन है उसकी। थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू।